Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to get more dice rolls in Monopoly Go and keep rolling? Here are the best ways to stock up fast. First of all, log in daily to claim your free dice rolls. The more days you play, the bigger the rewards. Complete daily challenges, events, and sticker albums. They give you extra dice rolls. Invite friends to play and earn tons of free rolls when they join using your link. Need quick rolls? Watch short ads in the game to get extra dice for free. Join tournaments and special events. Ranking high can give you hundreds of extra rolls. And that's it. Use these tips to never run out of rolls in Monopoly Go. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.